It's a wonderful day to bring you everything that is trending in GH and beyond. My name is Stephanie Flashley, and if you're watching me, you are definitely at the right place to be. You're most welcome to MX BREAKZ on MX24 TV. Always fun, fearless, and factual. Let's get straight into our stories for today. As Ghanaian gospel musician Joe Mettle has taking a stance, saying that he's taking some time away from Ghana's biggest night, which is the Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Why is this happening? Now, he says that it's very, very important for him to take a stance or take some time away for personal reasons. So let's get into the story. Now, Ghanaian gospel musician Joe Mettle has announced that he will be taking a break from the 2026 Telecel Ghana Music Awards, making a notable pause in his long-standing relationship with the award scheme. In a brief statement, the multiple award-winning singer explained that the decision was a personal one, amid reflection, growth, and focusing on other aspects of his ministry and music career.